gonna start with my base, and I'm gonna be using this Collagen Moisture Foundation. I bought this from iHerb, and it's really nice. Like, it was only like $6 for this entire bottle, but it's like, it has a really nice finish. It's more like a BB cream than a foundation. I don't know if you guys can see, but I randomly started breaking out on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. And I think it's because I stopped using retinol for a really long time, and then I just randomly started using it again. So I think I'm like breaking out from that. This is so easy to blend out, and it has such a beautiful finish. It's very skin-like. It does have a really strong fragrance though. If you're sensitive to fragrances, it might not be the best. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Walnut. I feel like I hold my mirror so close to my face, and I still can't see anything. I don't know why. Now I'm going to set. I'm going to use just an e.l.f. sheer powder. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow Pomade. Naturally just pretty straight eyebrows. I think that's as arched as I can get them without them looking weird. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the ColourPop That's Taupe palette and just take these two shades at the top. This gray one, little bit of that darker one, and work that into the outer corner. Now I'm going to be using this third highlighter in this Revolution palette, and just use that on my lid and inner corner. I'm also going to put a little bit on my brow bone. To my eyeliner, I'm going to start with this black eyeshadow from this LA Girl palette. I'm going to start in the inner corner and work my way out. I'm also going to put a little bit in the waterline. I don't know if I've said this before, but if you're a beginner with eyeliner, eyeshadow is definitely the place to start. Now you want to do the same to the bottom, but you don't want it on the waterline, more like underneath. I'm just gonna go over it with liquid liner. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is like optional, but I want it to be a little bit darker. Now I'm going to take this Annabelle white eyeliner and use that on my lower waterline. I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm not gonna focus too much on the upper lashes, more so on the lower lashes, because I'm gonna put lashes on. I'm gonna be using these lashes. I ordered these from Amazon. I just put a thin layer of glue on the lash band, and I'm just gonna wait like 30 seconds for it to dry. And now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Flower Heat Wave Luminous Bronzer. My cat makes so much noise when she's sleeping. This bronzer is like kind of a mix between a contour and a bronzer. So sometimes I use this as nose contour as well, which I'm going to do right now. Now for blush, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl True Blend blush in the shade Love Me. And she always wears her blush like pretty low on her face. I'm gonna put this Kohl blush on top just to make it a little more pinky. I'm just using the same highlighter that I used for my eyes on my cheeks and nose. I'm gonna go back to that palette and just take this dark shade, use it for the mold that she has. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use this Milani lip liner in the shade Spice. Mother. In a lot of pictures I see her mainly in pink lip.